Dodge Avenger 3.6. What year is it? 2013. Anything that's got the 3.6 is going to be the same though. Get the intake off. Bracket here, here. Got bolts here, here, here. Once I get them off, you're going to pull this off. I love that. There's another bracket back here on the back. It's got 2 tins on it, and then this is in there. It's 13, but I bent this back. This heater hose goes through there. I'm gonna bend the tab back around. There's another nut that holds that. So 2 10 millimeters, a 13 nut, and then this 13 bolt stud comes out. Get all this off, pull the air box out. Took these bolts up here. This is all loose now. It should come up. There's always one more bolt. When you think you're done, yep, one more right there. Get the upper section pulled off. Now we're gonna get this lower section pulled off as well. Undo all the injectors. Pull the wiring harness back. Take some more bolts off. Upper, lower, intake. That's a star head. Oh shit, I'm pouring oil everywhere. Mother sucker. Where'd it go? An E8. I don't know if you can see that. I done used a bunch of rags and soaked up all the oil and coolant that it dumped in the valley. But you can see it blown out right there. Customer states it's leaking water. I'm sure it is. The whole damn bottom of your oil cooler is blown out, which runs water through. No biggie. Just pull the intake off, make a mess, go get a new one. How the hell did a leaf just blow in there? It's not good. Hope it didn't go in there. Swap the gaskets out. Got the new one, already has the sensors in there. Get her put in. Get the upper and lower gaskets changed out. Get the surface cleaned up down there. Hose clamp. Get this set back down. Came with new bolts. Start putting it back together. Almost pouring coolant out down there. She's full. No more leaking. Good to go.